ready for our new sport precinct.
Is a moment and opportunity to pause.
The Lord is the everlasting God.
Do you not know that in a race all the runners run,
but for many generations to come?
To focus on that word generosity.
It gives me great pleasure to introduce our guest this afternoon. Chloe Dalton is one of Australia's few triple sport elite athletes.
This new precinct, these incredible courts, are the most amazing opportunity to give you guys access to playing sport.
Knowledge that they have built something that is far more than just a building.
Enjoy it, but look after it. Respect it. It is officially open.
Father, we are grateful for this beautiful setting and this incredible sports facility, and dedicated to you as a place of sporting excellence, reflecting our school values for greatness, for excellence, for Christ.